Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Sabudana Khichdi. It's a wonderfully light and incredibly flavorful dish, truly perfect for those fasting days or simply as a comforting, wholesome meal. Made from tiny tapioca pearls, it offers a unique texture that's both soft and wonderfully chewy. Today, we're diving into how you can easily create this beloved traditional Indian delicacy right in your own kitchen. It's a truly satisfying and delightful experience. Before we begin cooking, let's gather our essential ingredients and focus on a very important step: soaking the sabudana. For a perfect fluffy texture, rinse your pearls thoroughly, then soak them in just enough water overnight, or for about 6 hours. You'll also need roasted peanuts, diced potatoes, fresh green chilies, and some basic spices like cumin and salt. Having everything prepped ensures a truly smooth cooking experience. To start cooking, heat a little ghee or oil in a pan, then add some cumin seeds and let them splutter. Once fragrant, introduce your finely diced potatoes, cooking them patiently until they turn beautifully tender and slightly golden. After the potatoes are just right, stir in your roasted peanuts. This step adds a wonderful crunch and a rich, nutty flavor to your khichdi. Now for the star of the show. Gently add your soaked sabudana to the pan, ensuring the pearls are nicely separated and not clumpy. Next, mix in your finely chopped green chilies, a pinch of salt, and any other spices you enjoy, like a touch of black pepper. Cook this mixture on a low flame, stirring gently and occasionally until the sabudana pearls beautifully turn translucent. For that perfect finish, a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice stirred in right at the end truly brightens all the flavors of your khichdi. Garnish your beautifully cooked sabudana khichdi with some freshly chopped coriander leaves for an extra pop of color and freshness. Serve it warm, either on its own as a delightful snack or light meal, or alongside a dollop of cool yogurt. Enjoy your homemade sabudana khichdi.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.